A very warm welcome to one and all. So in today's session we will discuss about creating Google Forms. So these are such type of the forms which will have the file upload as well as signature options. So we are in practice of using different type of Google Forms nowadays to collect various information like assignment, job application, resumes and different type of the text etc. So these type of the Google Forms are used by researchers, teachers as well as different companies. So how we will prepare it? What is the process of it? This will be discussed in today's session. So while preparing the Google form which have the file upload and signature options, it can be done by using a form builder. So the form builder which we will use here is Form Studio. So Form Studio, it is a online form builder for creating file upload forms that resemble to Google form. सो फॉर्म स्टूडियो एक ऑनलाइन फॉर्म बिल्डर है जिसके बेस पे हम डिफरेंट टाइप्स के गूगल फॉर्म प्रिपेयर करते हैं जो कि गूगल फॉर्म से रिजेंबल करते हैं, बट इट हैज़ फाइल अपलोड एज वेल एज ई सिग्नेचर ऑप्शन अवेलेबल विद इट. So with file upload form for Google Sheets, we can receive large files of any size from anyone directly in our Google Drive. So by using Form Studio, we can receive files from anyone directly in our Google Drive. So the person who is sending the files, he don't need to have his Google account. जनरली जब भी हम फाइल्स रिसीव करते हैं किसी पर्सन से बाय यूजिंग द गूगल फॉर्म, सो इन दैट सिचुएशन द पर्सन हु इज़ अपलोडिंग द फॉर्म, सो दैट शुड ऑल्सो हैव द गूगल अकाउंट. बट इन दिस सिचुएशन द पर्सन हु इज़ अपलोडिंग द फॉर्म, ही नीड नॉट हैव द गूगल अकाउंट फॉर अपलोडिंग द फॉर्म. Similarly, in Form Studio, when we will prepare a Google form, so we can accept files of any size. So there is not any limit. So the large files can also be accepted. So there is a difference between the Google Forms and the forms built under Form Studio. It is that in this type, the form respondents do not require a Google account to upload files through your form. अगर कोई भी रिस्पोंडेंट आपको कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन देना चाहता है या कोई भी फाइल अपलोड करना चाहता है, सो इन दैट सिचुएशन उसका गूगल अकाउंट होना कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है अगर हम इस तरह से फॉर्म बिल्ड करते हैं. इन अदर वर्ड्स, वी कैन से that the respondents don't have to sign into their Google account for filling such type of the forms and uploading their files through these forms. So the next feature is that we can prevent spam also by adding CAPTCHA to the forms. Similarly, these type of forms also accept e-signatures. So the respondent who is filling the information, who is uploading the different type of the informations like CVs and assignment, so there is the option of e-sign also. He can put his e-signature in the forms. After that, the email confirmation is sent instantly. So while completing the form, so the email confirmation is instantly sent by these forms. As soon as the form is submitted, so by using these forms we can also send the email confirmation to notify the form submitter. So this form can be created inside the Google Sheets. So for example, as a teacher, if I want to take assignment from the student and want to save it in my Google Drive in separate student folder, then I can use these formats. Similarly, in a company, HR team, if it wants to perform any type of the interviews, so job applications can be uploaded by using these forms. So how to create it? How to create these forms inside the Google Sheets? So there is a process. So let's begin with this. So first of all, what we have to do is, firstly we have to go to forms.studio/copy. Firstly we have to open this site. After that, the second step is relating with deploying the uploader form as a web app. That means in second step we have to convert the form into a web app. After that, we will design the file uploader form like we used to do in Google Forms. There will be different type of the questions, and accordingly different type of the answers will be there, so we have to design accordingly. After that, customize the form setting. So we have to customize the form according to our requirements. After that, the final step is relating with sharing the link of the form. So ultimately, whatever form is generated, we will share the link of the form with the person from whom we want to collect the information. So this is the process of creating Google Forms inside the Google Sheets.